933-439连环。
Time to untwist it, whereas ours will never be cheap.
So you found a way around that particular problem?
As well as bra inserts as well. Our bra our partners was bras, we find.
还记得年少时的梦吗？像朵永远不凋零的花，陪我经。
Quite difficult and can be quite intimidating as well. But we are very focused on tackling our niche, which is being Asian fit or Singaporean fit for one, tackling tropical weather in terms of the fabric, as well as the functionality of the product. So the versatility, how it improves the quality.
The people who wear your products.
It's so sad to think that
from 2015 to 2019, studying there from the age of 7 to 10 years old.
This is a former pupil at one of the schools Dennis was talking about. She's now in her teens and we'll call her Serene. She fled Tibet last year and now lives in India. We contacted her through a Tibetan campaign group. Her family wants her to remain anonymous for fear of reprisals from the authorities for relatives still back in Tibet. Her words are read by an actor.
Our school had around 500 to 600 students, and all of them were Tibetans. Our wake-up time was 6 a.m. We'd have breakfast and then school would start.
那时候